Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning with Almasi. Today, I'm super excited to share a sweet and tangy recipe with you. How to make delicious plum jam right at home. It's easy, quick, and absolutely delicious. First, wash your plums thoroughly. Then, you can either choose to cut in half and remove the pits if you like. You can also remove the skins or leave them on. They add extra flavor and a beautiful color to your jam. Once you've prepared all the plums, it's time to start cooking. Add your chopped plums to a saucepan and cook them on a medium heat for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. The plums will remove their juices and soften up beautifully. Now add the sugar, that's about 500 grams, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Stir everything together until the sugar dissolves. The lemon juice helps balance the sweetness and acts as a natural preservative. Let the jam simmer on low heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. Make sure to stir often to prevent sticking or burning. You'll notice the jam thickening and turning to a gorgeous deep red color. Carefully transfer the hot jam into sterilized jars. Leave a little space at the top. Seal tightly and let them cool completely before storing. And just like that, your homemade plum is ready. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next video. Happy jamming!